Achieving urban sustainability, challenges and opportunities for cities, Politica. What is urban sustainability, and how can we achieve it? As the world's population continues to grow and urbanize, cities are facing increasing pressure to become more sustainable. Urban sustainability refers to the ability of cities to meet the needs of their residents without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Achieving urban sustainability is a complex challenge that requires the collaboration of multiple stakeholders, including governments, businesses, and citizens. Urban sustainability also involves the efficient use of resources and the reduction of pollution and waste, thereby creating a healthier, more livable urban environment. Key strategies include developing green infrastructure, such as parks and green roofs, which contribute to air quality improvement and urban cooling. Sustainable urban transport systems, like expanded public transit networks, cycling lanes, and pedestrian-friendly spaces, reduce reliance on fossil fuels and decrease traffic congestion. Additionally, cities need to focus on sustainable urban planning, incorporating energy-efficient buildings and renewable energy sources like solar panels and wind turbines, to reduce their carbon footprint. Waste management strategies, including recycling and composting programs, play a crucial role in minimizing the environmental impact of urban living. Engaging local communities in sustainability initiatives through education and participatory decision-making is also crucial, as it fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility towards the urban environment. Achieving urban sustainability is an ongoing process that requires continuous innovation, adaptation, and commitment from all sectors of society. Cities face several challenges when it comes to achieving sustainability. One of the biggest challenges is the sheer size and complexity of urban systems. Cities are made up of many interconnected systems, including transportation, energy, water, waste, and food systems, which can make it difficult to coordinate sustainability efforts. Another challenge is the rapid pace of urbanization. As more people migrate to cities, the demand for resources and services increases, which can lead to environmental degradation, resource depletion, and social inequality. In addition, many cities are facing the impacts of climate change, such as rising sea levels, heat waves, and natural disasters. Finally, there is often a lack of political will and financial resources to support sustainability efforts. Many politicians and decision-makers prioritize short-term economic growth over long-term sustainability. This can make it difficult to implement policies and initiatives that are necessary for achieving urban sustainability. Opportunities for urban sustainability. Despite these challenges, there are also many opportunities for cities to become more sustainable. One of the biggest opportunities is the potential for innovation and technological advancements. New technologies, such as renewable energy, smart grids, and electric vehicles, can help cities reduce their carbon footprint and improve their resource efficiency. In addition, digital technologies can help cities better manage their systems and resources, such as through data analytics and real-time monitoring. Another opportunity is the growing awareness and engagement of citizens. More people are becoming aware of the importance of sustainability and taking action to reduce their environmental impact. This can include using public transportation, reducing energy consumption, and recycling. In addition, there is a growing movement of citizen-led initiatives and community-based organizations working to promote sustainability at the local level. Finally, policymakers and decision-makers are recognizing the importance of urban sustainability. Many cities are now developing sustainability plans and strategies and investing in infrastructure and initiatives that support sustainability. This is being driven, in part, by global agreements and frameworks, such as the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and the Paris Agreement on Climate Change. Strategies for achieving urban sustainability. Copenhagen, Denmark. Bicycle-friendly city. 62% of residents commute by bike, reducing traffic congestion and carbon emissions. Amsterdam, Netherlands. Sustainable transportation. Over 60% of trips in the city are made by bike, and the city has a goal of being car-free by 2030. San Francisco, uses zero waste program. The city diverts 80% of waste from landfills and has a goal of achieving zero waste by 2020. Curitiba, Brazil. Bus rapid transit system. The city's BRT system has reduced traffic congestion and air pollution, and provides affordable and efficient transportation for residents. Vancouver, Canada. Greenest City Action Plan. The city has a goal of becoming the world's greenest city by 2020, with initiatives such as reducing carbon emissions, promoting green jobs, and increasing access to green spaces. To achieve urban sustainability, cities need to adopt a holistic and integrated approach that addresses the multiple systems and challenges involved. Here are some strategies that cities can use to become more sustainable. Promote sustainable transportation. Cities can actively promote sustainable transportation options to create healthier, more environmentally friendly urban environments. By investing in and enhancing public transportation systems such as buses, trams, and subways, cities can provide reliable and efficient alternatives to private vehicle use. This not only reduces emissions but also alleviates traffic congestion. Developing dedicated bike lanes and secure bike parking encourages cycling, a zero-emission mode of transport that also contributes to public health. Similarly, designing pedestrian-friendly spaces, including wider sidewalks, pedestrian zones, and green spaces, makes walking a more viable and enjoyable option for short-distance travel. Improve energy efficiency. Cities can significantly enhance their energy efficiency by implementing rigorous building codes and standards that mandate energy-efficient designs and materials for new construction. This approach ensures that new buildings consume less energy for heating, cooling, and lighting, contributing to a reduction in overall urban energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions. By setting high standards for insulation, energy-efficient windows, and HVAC systems, cities can ensure that new buildings are not only more energy efficient but also more comfortable and healthier for their occupants. Invest in renewable energy. Cities investing in renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and geothermal energy can significantly reduce their carbon footprint and enhance energy security, positioning themselves as leaders in sustainable development. Solar panels can be installed on rooftops of buildings, public structures, and even in solar farms, turning urban landscapes into energy-producing areas. Wind energy, harnessed through turbines, can be integrated into the city's outskirts or offshore locations, depending on geographical feasibility. Geothermal energy, derived from the Earth's heat, offers a reliable and constant energy source, especially beneficial for heating and cooling systems. Reduce waste and promote recycling. Cities can significantly reduce waste and mitigate environmental impact by actively promoting recycling and composting programs and implementing policies that target the reduction of single-use plastics and excessive packaging. By establishing comprehensive recycling programs, cities can encourage residents and businesses to separate and recycle materials like paper, glass, metals, and certain plastics, thereby diverting substantial waste from landfills. Public education campaigns can play a crucial role in increasing awareness about the benefits of recycling and how to recycle effectively. Promote sustainable food systems. Cities have a significant role in promoting sustainable food systems, which is pivotal for enhancing food security, ensuring access to healthy food, and reducing environmental impacts. By supporting local agriculture, cities can stimulate local economies and provide residents with fresh, locally sourced produce. This can be achieved through initiatives like farmers markets, urban agriculture projects, and community gardens, which not only bring locally grown food directly to urban consumers but also help preserve green spaces within the city. Encouraging rooftop gardens and vertical farming in urban areas can further increase local food production, reduce food miles, and contribute to urban greening. Foster community engagement and participation. Cities can significantly enhance the effectiveness and acceptance of sustainability initiatives by actively fostering community engagement and participation. Involving citizens and stakeholders in the planning and decision-making processes ensures that diverse perspectives are considered, leading to more inclusive and representative outcomes. This can be achieved through various methods, such as public forums, workshops, and town hall meetings where residents can voice their opinions and offer suggestions on urban development projects. Case study: the sustainable city of Freiburg. When it comes to achieving urban sustainability, the German city of Freiburg serves as a great example. In the 1990s, the city committed to becoming a carbon-neutral city by 2050. To achieve this goal, the city implemented a range of sustainable practices that have transformed the urban landscape. One of the most notable initiatives taken by the city was the construction of the Vauban neighborhood. This car-free neighborhood was designed to encourage residents to walk, bike, or use public transport. It also features a range of green spaces and renewable energy sources, such as solar panels on rooftops and biogas generators. Another initiative that the city took was to invest in sustainable energy production. Freiburg is home to the Fraunhofer Institute, which researches and develops renewable energy solutions. The city also invested in a combined heat and power plant, which generates electricity and heat using natural gas and renewable energy sources. These measures have had a significant impact on the city's carbon emissions. In 2012, Freiburg's per capita CO2 emissions were just 2.8 tons, compared to the German average of 9.6 tons. The city has also seen a significant increase in the use of public transport and cycling, reducing the number of cars on the road and improving air quality. The success of Freiburg's sustainable initiative shows that achieving urban sustainability is possible, but it requires commitment and investment. By implementing sustainable practices and investing in renewable energy, cities can reduce their carbon footprint and create a healthier, more livable urban environment. Conclusion. Achieving urban sustainability is a critical challenge, but it is also an opportunity for cities to create more livable, resilient, and equitable communities for their residents. By adopting a holistic and integrated approach and engaging citizens and stakeholders in the process, cities can chart a path towards a more sustainable future. Cities that have successfully implemented sustainability initiatives include Copenhagen, Amsterdam, and San Francisco. Let's learn from their examples and take action in our communities to achieve urban sustainability. The successes of cities like Copenhagen, Amsterdam, and San Francisco in implementing sustainability initiatives provide valuable lessons and blueprints for other cities aiming to achieve urban sustainability. These cities have demonstrated that a combination of strong political will, innovative policies, and active citizen participation can lead to significant improvements in urban living conditions. Copenhagen, for example, has excelled in promoting cycling and renewable energy, Amsterdam has made notable strides in water management and green spaces, and San Francisco has been a leader in waste reduction and recycling initiatives. Learning from these examples, other cities can adapt and apply similar strategies tailored to their unique contexts and challenges. This might involve investing in sustainable infrastructure, adopting green building codes, promoting public transport and non-motorized transport options, or implementing comprehensive recycling and waste management programs. It also includes ensuring that these efforts are inclusive, considering the needs of all residents, including marginalized and vulnerable communities. By drawing inspiration from these leading cities and fostering a culture of sustainability, urban areas worldwide can transform into more livable, resilient, and equitable spaces, contributing to the overall health and well-being of their residents and the planet. Questions and answers. Question: what is sustainability, and why is it important? Answer: urban sustainability refers to the ability of a city to meet the needs of its population without compromising future generations. Question: how can individuals contribute to urban sustainability? Answer: individuals can contribute to urban sustainability by reducing waste, conserving energy, using public transportation, and supporting local businesses. Question: who benefits from urban sustainability initiatives? Answer: everyone benefits from urban sustainability initiatives, including residents, businesses, and the environment. Question: what are some challenges to implementing urban sustainability? Answer: challenges to implementing urban sustainability include lack of funding, political will, and community engagement. Question: how can cities measure their progress towards urban sustainability? Answer: cities can measure their progress toward urban sustainability by tracking metrics such as greenhouse gas emissions, energy consumption, and waste reduction. Question: isn't urban sustainability too expensive for cities to implement? Answer: while there may be initial costs associated with implementing urban sustainability initiatives, the long-term benefits often outweigh the costs in terms of economic, social, and environmental benefits.